just about done with this car. It's a Turbo S Cabriolet. Client put an exhaust system on the car. He did not like the smell. With that being said, he came to the right place. It's here at 412 Motorsport. We took the old exhaust out, and now the car has Fabspeed system. It has 200 cell cats, so no more smell. He's extremely happy. He came earlier this morning. We went on a test drive together. So when the car had the old exhaust, they tuned the ECU, but not the TCU. These cars have a lot of torque, and the transmission slips when you tune the cars. So if you don't review your tune or you don't lower the boost, then you're gonna have on the shifting, you're gonna have your RPMs basically sipping like your clutch is failing. So went ahead and retuned the ECU to keep all the torque, and then also did the TCU. What the TCU is for the transmission. It's a transmission flash to handle the power. So now the car is fully dialed in. It's lowered on Brabus wheels. Very nice. If you guys don't know, Brabus did make a rocket, so they have parts for a 911 as well. So yeah, this car is stunning. It sounds great. It does not smell, and is extremely powerful.